welcome to today's IT Talk moment. I'm Jyoti and we are going to explore together the opportunities and uncertainties for you all, with you all. So let's get started. So yes guys, as you can see on my screen today, it's AICTE internships, 1 crore internship by 2025. Who is going to get benefited, what is the eligibility, and how we can apply is something that we are going to discuss in today's video. So as you can see on the screen, this logo, that is TULIP. What does it mean? Government of India has launched the Urban Learning Internship Program. So that is something that we call TULIP. This program is an initiative of All India Council for Technical Education, Ministry of HRD and Ministry of Housing and Urban Development. They have all come together to provide internship opportunities to fresh graduates in all the urban local bodies and smart cities across the nation. So this is something that is very nice. And अभी हम बात करते हैं कि जैसे कि बोला गया है कि 2025 तक 1 crore internships प्रोवाइड की जाएगी, तो इस ईयर में कितनी इंटर्नशिप की चांसेस है और कैसे अप्लाई कर सकते हैं is something that we are going to discuss. So if I open this article which was published in Hindustan Times, the Urban Affairs Minister Puri has said that it is expected that 25,000 fresh graduates will receive opportunity of internship in this first year itself. तो इस ईयर में 25,000 अपॉर्चुनिटीज दी जाएंगी. 2025 तक का टारगेट है 1 crore इंटर्नशिप्स का. जैसा कि हम लोग इस सीरीज में बात करते हैं अबाउट द अपॉर्चुनिटीज इन अनसर्टेनिटीज, we will know कि how we can register and how we can get full benefit. ठीक है, कौन कौन एलिजिबल है? Students having a degree of BTech, B Planning, B Architecture, BA, BSc, BCom, LLB can register for internships as per their interest. So there are some eligibility conditions that you have to take care of. That this is open only for Indian citizens. Then the second is not more than 18 months should have passed from the date of declaration of your final year results. So basically graduates के लिए there is this constraint that आपके BTech complete होने के बाद 18 months का जो duration है, अगर आप उसमें lie कर रहे हो तो you can apply for these internships. Now let's talk about the duration. Duration of the internship will be minimum of 8 weeks up to 1 year. Obviously you will also get stipend and other allowances based on which company is offering this internship. क्योंकि अगर हम portal पे जाके देखेंगे तो हमें पता चलेगा कि even companies can post internships. So it depends on the company as to what is the criteria that they are looking for and what is the stipend that they are going to provide. ठीक है, अब हम बात करते हैं certificate of internship. So of course you will get a certificate after successful completion of the internship, and it will be jointly issued by HRD, state government, AICTE and ULB Smart City. So this is something amazing. I was looking forward to share this with all of you. So yes guys, I'm back to the portal. Portal पे देखते हैं कि हमें क्या क्या देखने को मिल रहा है. अभी फिलहाल क्योंकि ये recently launch हुआ है, you can register by clicking here. If you'll just click here, this form will pop up. तो जहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं there are different categories. If you're an employer, if you're a university, if you're a student, so just click on the student because I believe most of my viewers are students. So basic information, so I'm not going in detail. You just need to type your institute name, student ID, first name, last name, and just how you fill any form. So I'm not sure कि बहुत सारी internships already post हुई है या नहीं. चलो देखते हैं. Now let me just type randomly any internship. Let's say for Python full time and city, let me keep it empty and I'll search it for you all. Okay. We already have one internship that is there in the category of Python, and it is a full-time internship being provided by Equitrex Corporate Ventures Private Limited. So if we go on apply, okay, applications are already closed. Okay, the source is Internshala. That's what I was wondering, that how come the internships, the applications are already closed? Because the platform has been recently launched, they are also suggesting for the internships that are available on different sources on the internet. It's going to be a one-stop solution for you to find an internship. So as of now, the total internships that has been provided are 0 because of course the portal has been recently launched. So what are you guys waiting for? As it has been said by the Government of India and AICTE that by the end of the year they will provide 25,000 internships in this year, and I can also show you that article actually. This launch is also an important stepping stone for fulfillment of MHRD and AICTE's goal of 1 crore successful internships by the year 2025. Yes, we will be back with another such amazing opportunity for you all. Till then, you guys stay safe and subscribe to the channel so that you get notified whenever I upload one such amazing opportunity. So I'll see you next time. And if you want me to discuss about something specific in detail, let me know in the comment section. And comment section is open for you all to discuss anything and everything that you want to discuss about. So with this, I would like to end today's video here, and stay safe, stay healthy, and I will see you next time. Until then, keep smiling. Bye bye.